this session, we will talk about the technology of robot and conveyor. Speaker by Ms. Theresa Gröninger, Head of Sales Marketing cellumation GmbH ขอเสียงปรบมือด้วยค่ะ
Good morning. So my name is Theresa and I'm from the young company Cellumation. We are from Germany and I'm looking forward to use the next 30 minutes to tell you what we are doing and show what our boundbreaking technology is able to. So we were founded in 2017 and actually we are nearly 80 people, and our goal is that every delivered package worldwide will have touched a cellulose cell, and I will tell you why this is possible. So we all know logistics centers, and we can see that the technology is still the same. So it is sometimes there's a new sensor or a new way to go, but the technology, the base of technology is the same, and the quality of the pictures got better and better. And our thesis is that outdated infrastructure and inefficiencies are hindering the growth of logistic and distribution centers. And for this reason, we have three indicators. So we have limited space, especially in urban areas. We have increasing costs of labor work. And we have the possibility to use robots where hands are not able to, or where it's very stupid work. And for this reason, we are a robotics and automation company. So, and in mood of Henry Ford, so he said, if I've asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. We developed a totally new technology. So, and it's very easy. We've turned soccer robots upside down. What you can see on the left is the soccer team from CM Dragon. It's a Cambridge soccer robot team, and they move around the soccer fields, and they really want to score goals. And what you can see is that our cell is based on this soccer robot, and we've turned it upside down. So the reels aren't below the soccer robot; they are above, and they, together with more cells, they create a surface. And on this surface, we can move objects in any way you want to. So, and it's a software-based technology. So the cell is only the hardware. It's a one-model hardware, and you can combine the cells to any layout you want. For this reason, this is a very flexible technology. And with an intelligent software, it's possible to use the cells for any functionality in intralogistics you want to. So complete automation of logistics centers are totally possible. We can orientate, singulate, palletize, depalletize, sort. We can do whatever you want to, if it's not only straightforward. The hardware remains the same. The software defines the function. So it's a total digital thought machine. What you can see here are the benefits. So this is important when you want to sell a new, unique technology. So it is always space saving. So we can move objects in a 360-degree mode, and for this reason we can save space in distribution center. It's modular, it's scalable, and it's totally flexible, arrangeable. And it's easy in maintenance, so you can change a cell in less than 5 minutes. It's a plug-and-play system. We communicate to the other conveying technologies with the same APIs, and it's very high in performance. What can the cellulose move? It can move packages. It can move bags, trays, foiled goods, sack goods. It can move whatever you want to. And if we are not sure, we will test it. So we developed one technology, and we developed 3 product lines. The first is the cellulose Go. It's our easiest product, and I will show what is for which functionalities the CV Go is good for. And we have the CV Classic system. It's a cellulose plus the software and a vision system. And we have the Smile Sort system. It's good for urban areas where you want to combine different streams of goods and want to deliver them in an efficient way. The CVGO is an all-rounder module. It's for standard functionalities in material flow. And you can see here what it can do. So it's a very high-fasted corner transfer with 45,500 parcels per hour. But it can be a diverter, or it can be a rotate system as well, or a curve transfer. And for this reason, you only need the roller conveyors and the CVGO and create a whole layout in a new way. This is a curve. And what you can see here is a client's problem, and they solved it on what you can see on the left screen. So this is very complicated, isn't it? And we solved the problem in a more easier way with the CVGO, because you can combine different functionalities in one system. You can combine a corner transfer with a curve transfer, and the goal is that the long side is always comes out in an output. So it's possible to optimize layout, save space, and increase efficiency. And it's possible to resync layout opportunities. Then there's the CV Classic solution. The CV Classic is our smart solution, and it's the surface, the cells, and above there's the vision system. The vision system detects every object which arrives, gives this information to our smart software, and the software moves every wheel independently. So, and you can see that what we are doing is only the cellumation. For the conveyors before and after, we have our friends and system integrators which are doing this for us. Here you can see the CV depot system. The CV depot system is a layer descrambling system. And what we are doing here on 3 square meters is a very small layer descrambling system. Our competitor needs 60 square meters, and I will show how big this is. So we're an ant in layouts and have an elephant as a competitor. This is what you can see here. The layer pattern arrives on the cellumation, and the cellumation automatically descramble it and brings it to up to 8 outputs. Here you can see the comparison of size. So this is our main competitor on the left side. And what you can see over there is, so this is our size. So we are very space-saving technology. What you can see here is when you can descramble layouts, it's important to build new layer patterns as well. And this is what we call our CV pulse system. We create a layer pattern, and then it's good to build new palette and bring them to the distribution centers worldwide. What you can see here is our CV singulate. A bulk arrives, and it's automatically descrambled, oriented, and time gapped, and the objects go time gapped to the output, with the capacity of 10,000 parcels per hour. What you can see here is the CV crosstalk. So it's good for retrofit options with X inputs and epsilon outputs. This is an installation we made at DHL in Greven. So it's a 2-2 CV crosstalk system, like a cross switch or something like this. Then we have the CV rotate, and what you can see here is very good for big objects in small material flows. We can move every object to the right orientation and bring them to a specific order. What you can see here is the CV bulk sort. We installed it at e-commerce companies. So a bulk arrives, we descramble it, bring them to an order, and sort it up to 3 outputs. Then we have CV induct. The CV induct is good for an automatically input to another sorting systems, in this reason for pouch sorters or something like this. And we have our last mile sortation. So cities needs to be more sustainable, and and a higher volume of parcels arrive. The skills shortage of the labor work is limited, and for this reason you need new solutions to automatically sort parcels in micro hubs for the last mile, and this is what we can do with our technology. So our technology is integrated very fast, and you can move, and it's flexible, and for this reason we can move in any distribution center or logistics center you want to. And for this reason we can sort packages in a very efficient way. This is an installation we made in Germany, in Göttingen, where the parcels arrived and then they are sorted to different routes, and the delivery drivers will bring them to the clients. And what you can see here is an installation at DHL in 7. What you can see on the left side was before, it was a pop-up sorter. And there were downtime several times a day. And we solved this problem. So you can see the downtime on the red lighted parcel. So this was the problem. Have you seen? And on the right side you can see our solution. It's a CV cross-docked 2-to-2. So now it's more efficient. We can reach more throughput. We use lower energy, and we reduce the maintenance costs as well. What you can see here is Vert Natura. So it's an installation in Spain. It's the biggest machine we ever built. So with more than 400 cells. And we combined 10 vision systems above. And there you can see the scalability of our system. It's very sustainable because you need less space and you need less energy. And it's very easy to integrate and boost actual material flows you have in your distribution centers. But what is important is our young company was supported by the EU. So we received fundings from the European Union's Horizon project. So this was a big grant and a big opportunity for us to grow and to develop our unique bound-breaking technology. So we are changing the world of logistics. Join us. Would be great. We are over there at the booth, and we have some colleagues from Singapore and Thailand as well, so ask us the question you have had. So, and I can only repeat it. In the future, every delivered parcel worldwide will have touched a celluveyor cell, and it would be great if we can have our first celluveyors in Asia. So if you have a project in common, or do you think that you have a good idea where to place a celluveyor, just give us a notice. It would be great. So this is my name and my LinkedIn account. Just connect, and thank you for being here.